Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I thought I'd show you how I cover up any acne that I have. I do have quite a few little spots there. I normally get them around my jaw, which is very hormonal, lucky me, and a few up here as well sometimes, and I have always wanted to cover them up with makeup ever since I was probably like in year 7. I used to buy the most expensive concealer, but my mum used to buy it for me, and because I just wouldn't want to go to school because I used to have like a few spots. But yeah, I thought I'd show you how I cover them up now. So what I've learned over time is that prepping your skin is one of the most important things you can do before you put any makeup on. So I've been using this Dermalogica daily microfoliant scrub, and I feel like it's the best one. Like, it's not too harsh if you've got acne. It comes in like a powder and you put it on your hand, add a bit of water to it, and it kind of merges into like a paste, and all the little bits kind of like disintegrate as well, so it's not hard to wash off. It's not too harsh as well, which is really good. I feel like it gets rid of any like little bumpy bits and any dry skin as well, because that is the worst thing ever. If you've got dry skin or like a really dry horrible spot and you put concealer on it, and it just like, it makes it look even worse. So you've got to do a good thorough cleanse and make sure it's as smooth as you can possibly get it. So yeah, I really recommend that one, Dermalogica daily microfoliant, and I probably use that maybe twice a week, or it depends how good my skin is and what else I've used on my skin. But that was a good one to use before a night out or before you're putting on lots of makeup. And then after I've done that exfoliation, I go on to moisturiser, because even though I have oily skin, I need to put moisturiser on it, otherwise it just feels too tight and it actually gets more oily. So I've been using the Eve Lom Moisture Cream, and I really like this. I've been using all of it. It's nearly run out, oh no. So yeah, it smells like a spa. Here comes little monkey. Hello monkey. He's been outside. I was waiting for you to come up. Hey, look, your bed's ready waiting for you. Now he's digging. Have you stopped digging now? Nope, still digging. Oh Harlow, what are we gonna do with you? Hey, what are we gonna do with you? Are you a big cheeky? Cheeky monkey. Ah! Cheeky monkey. Oh my god, he's so lively. Stop it. Right, what can I give you to chew? Come on, chew your blankie. Chew your blankie. Rah. Right, I've sent Harlow out because I can't handle him when he's like that when I'm trying to film a video. So yeah, what was I talking about? Primer. Yeah. So this primer gives you like a sheeny look, and it just helps your makeup like glide on, I think, and it makes your skin look really smooth. So I use this first. And then on top of that I use the Becca Skin Love primer. It's the Brighten and Blur primer, and I only put a bit of this like here and down my T-zone and a bit on my chin as well where I get shiny, and it really helps to like blur my pores a bit and give me a really smooth look. And then moving on to foundation, I like to use this one but in really thin layers and just like build it up. So it gives a good amount of coverage, but it doesn't look too cakey. And then once I've blended out all my foundation, I go over the top with my NARS concealer, and I just put that in the places where I feel like I need a bit more extra coverage. Look who's come back in, little rascal. So yeah, after I've done my concealer, I then use another concealer, and it is my favourite one from NARS, and it is just this little pot one. I don't know what it's called, but it's in colour custard. And then for contouring, this is the best contour stick I have ever used. It's the one from Benefit, the Hoola one, and it's just such a good colour. It only comes in the one colour. But yeah, I just really like the consistency, and it doesn't take off your foundation or concealer underneath. It just kind of like really nicely blends in with it. So that is why I love it, and I've asked for another one of these for Christmas. So hopefully I get that. And for under eye concealer, I'm going to use my ultimate favourite Laura Mercier one again. And for powder, I'm going to set my whole face with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and then I'm going to use my new one that I got from Bicester Village the other day when I went shopping, and it is the Hourglass ambient lighting powder, and it's kind of got like a little shimmer to it, and it's a perfect travel size one. So I'm always struggling to fit this big thing in my bag with all my cameras and stuff, so this one is great. Like, I can just slot it in a clutch bag on a night out, and yeah, because it's got little shimmery bits in, it gives your face like a bit more of a glowy look and doesn't look like you've got loads of makeup on, because sometimes if it's too matte, it just looks too, like, I don't know, caked on. So this one makes you look a bit more glowy and a bit more like you haven't got as much on, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this one a go. So my skin has kind of got like a bit of a sheen to it now. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just going to go and do the rest of my makeup, and I've got my Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadow that I use every single day, my new Hourglass lipstick that I got from Bicester, such a nice nude colour, so I can't wait to try that one, and my Charlotte Tilbury brow pencil. So I finished doing my makeup and I absolutely love that lipstick that I've just used from Hourglass. But the last thing I do is I use my Becca Glow Shield Mist, and it smells so good. It smells like watermelon, but I feel like I just need a little bit extra of like a glowiness to my face, and it also keeps my makeup on all day. So I just mist that all over. It smells so good. But that is my makeup all done, and that will stay put all day, and my spots will be completely covered all day as well. I think I've mastered the art of covering spots throughout the years. But yeah, if you have any questions about acne, let me know and I'll happily answer them. I've tried quite a lot of products over the years for acne and stuff, so please do feel free to ask me, and don't forget to subscribe as well because I'm doing so many more videos. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!